It's like a 2.
Whoa. It smells so bad.
Yeah, bro. Can I try one of these? Here, what? No, bro, those are for our video today. Bro, come on, bro. No, show me. Just come on, bro. Put it back.
Hey, yo, actually, hold up. Let's grab all the shit first, so that Abraham doesn't come up and is like, "Why aren't you guys ready?" I have like very strong predictions of how he's gonna feel about most of these. So let's start with Happy Dad. I already know there's not gonna be one flavor he will like. He'll be like, why would anybody drink this? This is nasty. All these. He just hates alcohol. This man does not drink. I think he'll actually like Prime a lot more than he would think he would. If I had to guess the order of flavors, he's gonna like blueberry first, berry second. Actually, you know what? Fruit punch first, that second, this third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I'm pretty confident about this lineup. Let's see how right I am. I think he's gonna think this smells like ass. I think he'll be like, why the fuck would they put peppermint and peanut butter together? Let's see if I'm right. I'm not recording this again. Bro, give me this shit. Alright, just so you guys know, this one I think is probably gonna be ahead of Metamoon before Blue Raspberry. Alright? So this is our final lineup. Alright guys, so we have Abraham here. We walked through the products briefly. I actually said a prediction of like the ones I thought you would like, wouldn't like, and what you say about them. We have a few products here. I'm gonna have you try them one by one, and I'll explain like who the creator is briefly, just so you have an idea. And then afterwards, I want you to like look at their packaging and then rate their branding on a scale of like 1 to 10. Then rate how much you think the product costs, and I want you to say how much you think that in revenue they've done in the last calendar year. Shema, I didn't introduce you actually. So Shema's here. He's
What's up, guys?
Our videographer and editor. He'll be trying some of the products with us, the ones that he's allowed to, because he's not 21 and there's a couple of alcoholic drinks up there. So
Oh my god.
I know,
Yeah,
he's a bitch.
okay.
I told him, let it just try it. He's like, no, I can't. We'll go and start with Prime because it's the most amount of products.
Honestly, I've had Prime before, and he's already going. All right.
I'm thirsty.
All right, so what you think about that?
I like this one.
I feel like you drink that.
I would definitely drink that.
You like
25 calories. It feels like it's more sweet.
Yep. It doesn't feel as much of like that artificial flavor that like diet sodas had either.
No, it tastes good.
I haven't had this in a minute. It actually tastes better than I remember.
Yeah, the tropical punch is probably one of my favorite flavors. So I've had it as well.
All right, I like this one. I've never seen these before. I've never seen these anywhere before. Or maybe I've seen them, just didn't realize what they
Yeah,
were.
so with that one, if you had to rate just the overall taste, what would you say, 1 to 10?
Definitely put up there like at least a
9.
9.
Wow, okay, cool.
And like, what would you rate the branding out of 10?
I don't think the branding's that good. Maybe a 4.
A 4?
I don't think it's better than a 4.
I like it. I don't know why. Like,
I like the big font. Like,
yeah,
you know what it
stands out
is.
in shelves.
Really?
Yeah.
Because like, think about like Gatorade. Like, versus that.
Gatorade stands out to me more. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe because I'm just used to seeing it.
Sure. This one's too sweet for me.
That one's pretty good too, actually. I would say that's like definitely an 8. I like this bottle a lot better than all the other bottles. I like the 3 colors. Yeah.
So you know, like those
Man, I really like this one.
yeah, this one's good. This one actually is probably one of my favorites.
He doesn't like it. I like it.
It tastes like
That's
a rocket
gross.
pop.
That's a 9. I like it. That's a 9.
Not for you.
Bro, this is gross.
All right, Sham, if you had to rate it, what do you rate it?
Like a 5.
A 5?
Very
Gross.
It's very,
It's a 5. Gross.
it's very mid.
Gross is like a 3. 5 is like a...
I like that one. Meta Moon. I like the packaging on these last two.
Oh, this might be my
a lot
favorite one.
better. It's good. 8.
It's very berry.
Yeah,
you know?
I give it an 8.
I really like this one.
I like the packaging on these better. I would say the Prime is maybe like a 6 packaging, and
They're not Prime. They're different flavors of Prime.
the Meta Moon I would say is definitely at least a 6. This one's probably closer to an 8. I'm not a lemon lime person, so. Not bad for lemon lime.
It tastes like when you finish like a popsicle.
Probably like a 6, 6.5 taste.
6.5.
But I'm not a lime person. Maybe that's why.
Yeah.
This one's not that good compared to the others. Probably the worst flavor so far. It's not bad. I would drink it, but it's probably like a 5 or 6.
It's like a 2.
Whoa. I hate grape usually because it tastes like that grape medicine that you had as a kid, but this doesn't taste like that. It's not bad. Tell me a little
Maybe
bit
a
about
6.
it. From red being the first slot and then purple being the last, how would you like change the order of them?
I like this. I like that.
So do you know who owns this?
Logan Paul? Yeah.
Yep. It was Logan Paul and KSI, who's like a British UK, who's like almost like the British Logan Paul. I say the British Logan Paul in the sense of like
They're very
that
connect-
famous in the UK.
Yeah.
Very prevalent. So they came together and they made this brand. How much do you think each bottle costs?
$3?
All right, so they cost $1.99, so $2.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, $2 each.
Oh, so that's
So now that you can do that, now you can kind of estimate how many bottles you think they've sold.
wow. I don't even know how to.
So they've sold $250 million in their first
billion.
year. Yeah, that's their revenue.
First year.
So that's the fastest growing beverage that's like come out ever.
How long has it been out for?
A year.
1 year.
Yeah.
It's only been out 1 year. And
Yeah. Overall, what do you think about the entire brand as a total? Like, what do you think about the taste, the branding?
So everything here is low calorie. So based on it being low calorie, I think it's really good. If this was all like not low calorie, like regular, I'd still think it's average. It tastes really good for low calorie.
That was my first impression when I tried it. I was like, if this was a normal drink, I'd be like, this is shit. Or I'd be like, this is whatever. But for it, 25 calories, like a 0 calorie Gatorade tastes nowhere near as good as that.
Yeah, for the most part, I agree.
Yeah. So what that is an influencer named David Dobrik, who's like synonymous for his vlog. He's like a 23-year-old kid who makes vlogs with his friends, and people like love the humor that this friend group has, and they kind of vicariously live through all the stuff that they've done. But in the beginning, the vlogs were like him in his like shitty college apartment, and then it ended up working his way up to like a $15 million mansion, and all of his friends are super wealthy too, so they have nice cars. And so he came out with a perfume, I think in the last like 2 years. Yeah, if you want to open the box, see what you think about the branding, about he spun that shit 100 times.
It's because I knew it was a magnet and I just watched you spinning it
know, me
over and over again.
Oh yeah, that's a fucking magnet. That's kind of cool. So I'm like totally not into cologne and perfume, but the branding does not look that special to me, honestly. It looks kind of like a cheap type brand, so it definitely wouldn't put it higher than like a 4. The packaging is kind of cool. Probably give it like 7, 8, maybe.
Sure, I like the actual bottle. Yeah.
And then the actual smell,
Do you even wear cologne?
I do.
Oh, you? Okay.
Yeah. But
Would you wear that?
I mean, I'd probably wear anything. I'm not picky about stuff like that. But, maybe a 6, 7.
This is super nice. That is cool. That's satisfying.
Yeah.
I actually like it.
Yeah, I like it. It's very like almost like a.
It's like a daily.
Like oaky. If I had to rate it, I'd probably say the outside packaging is like a 4, inside 6, 7, and then I'd say the smell itself is probably like a 5.
I'd probably give this smell like a 6.
Now, how much do you think that bottle costs?
I don't even know what cologne costs these days or perfume costs these days, but I would say like $65 or something. But because it's like a famous person, I'd add like another $20 to it. So
$60. So it costs $60.
$60.
Yeah, that's a good. That's a good guess. So that next product that you have in front of you is called Mythical Peculiarly Perfect Peanut Butter Lipstick.
That's a
lip balm.
long ass name.
I know.
Lipstick.
Lip balm. Lip balm. My bad. That's on me.
Mythical peculiar. What the-
Peculiar.
Bro, I wouldn't buy it just
Peculiar.
because I can't pronounce it. Thing.
Who this is a show called Good Mythical Morning, and there's basically 2 guys, and they've created an entire production team that makes almost like Tonight Show type game shows every single day, and been posting for like 25 seasons, over 12 years. They've been posting every single day. They have a huge following, and this is just one of the items that they have on their merch line. So this is peanut butter peppermint, which is like an odd combination.
How many different flavors do they have?
Of lip balm, just one, but they have a whole bunch of different types of products. So they have combs, they have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, pants. They have like a shit ton of things.
Never wear lip balm. I don't know what lip balm is for. Is it not to chap your lips? Like what?
Yeah,
it's like-
lips are chapped. Like,
Yeah.
I've never had chapped lips. I've never
In your life, you've never had chapped
never had
lips.
chapped lips.
I don't think you know how to distinguish whether or not you have chapped lips, 'cause I'm sure you have. You didn't even
Let me see.
mention peanut butter peppermint. That's a weird combination.
It's a weird combination, but
It's
the
strong.
peanut-
It's strong, but I actually like the smell.
I don't taste the peanut butter. I just taste.
It smells
the
like
peppermint.
I smell the peanut butter. It
Really?
smells like
my-
nutmeg almost.
I barely smell the peanut butter. It's more
Peppermint.
more than mint. I mean, it's not bad, but like I don't use chapstick.
Yeah. So branding, I think it's ass.
I've never looked at chapstick ever, so I don't even know what another chapstick looks like. I don't remember the last time I even touched any type of lip balm. I probably never. I've never had one. I mean, it stands out because it's weird. I would say it's a 6 or 7, a little bit better than average, I would say.
And then the overall like smell.
It wouldn't be like my first 5, 10 choices, but I mean.
So it'd be like a 5.
Yeah, as far as the flavor and stuff. I don't lick my lip. I guess I don't lick my lip.
So, Abraham, I know you're a huge drinker.
Yep.
Hold up. It's a party. It's my end. Let me get some. Let me get some of that.
Smells kind of like 7-Up, Sprite.
Yeah, it does smell like a little bit
Yeah.
like that.
That's just not good.
I hate seltzer, and I hate lemon lime, and I hate alcohol. So, yeah.
It's everything he hates.
Kind of
I'll say this, like I actually enjoy like a cocktail here and there. I like beer. I hate this.
Happy Dad. It's pretty plain. I don't like the packaging that much. First of all, I like cherry. This tastes like shit.
This smells like shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I took a sip. I just took a sip of it. I'm like, this is horrible.
Oh.
Did you drink it?
God. I just drank it. That's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
It literally tastes like Robitussin.
Like, why would you drink this?
Oh my god.
I'd be like, why would anybody drink this?
Oh, and I like
that's
cherry.
definitely worse than the lemon for sure.
I don't know. It's probably equally bad to me. That is real bad. I'm not gonna like any of these. Oh my god, I already tell.
You like pineapple?
Yeah, I like pineapple, but oh my god, it smells so bad. It smells like a mold.
This one smells like rancid.
It's horrible,
That is so bad.
bro. This is so bad.
So this one smells the best out of all of them so far. This is watermelon.
It does smell bad. I'm scared to taste it.
This one's palatable. Like I could actually, I wouldn't like to drink this. By far better than the rest for me.
I agree. Not good, but it's like one
You
or
could
two
drink
better
that.
than the others. Yeah, I couldn't drink it, but it's if you forced me to drink one, it would be the watermelon.
I would honestly rate the watermelon a 2 and everything else a 0. Like I couldn't even put it on a scale. Like, 'cause I'm rating it as if it's a seltzer. So how much worse could it taste than that?
Well, I don't drink seltzer. I don't drink alcohol, so I don't know. It could be worse. I would think, but like,
So as far as branding, you said it was super simple. I actually kind of like it for that reason. It definitely doesn't stand out. So this was done by the Nelk boys, who are like notorious like partiers, gamblers.
right,
like that's their brand.
Right.
For a 12 pack, and you have to buy a 12 pack. You cannot buy them individual. It's $20 for a 12 pack. They've been released, I think, for like around 2 years. Do you want to guess how much they did in revenue last year?
bro, I don't know if they ever repeat business on this shit.
So they did $100 million last year.
Yeah.
In
Actually, I don't know how to compare it.
Like
But
that's insane. Like.
you need to get some of that shit flavor out of my mouth.
All right, guys, so to summarize this video, if you guys are looking for a sports drink to try, Prime is delicious. If you guys want a shitty alcoholic beverage, go stick to Happy Dad. That shit is absolute ass. But anyways, we have a whole bunch more influencers products to try out. If you guys want us to do more videos like this, comment down below what people you want us to try.
People you want us to try.
Pause.
All right, that's crazy. People you want us to try.
Yeah, that's much, bro. All right, cut that shit. Cut it.